Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Redmi Pad 2. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices. Now download free app called Send Anywhere, and when it's ready, launch it. Following that, tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, Allow in first pop-up and Allow all in the second one. Then tap on wherever you want to in all the other ones. Finally, hit Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and receive right next to Send at the bottom of Redmi. Also on Google Pixel, thanks to all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to choose Allow a few more times and then access your files. When finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any apps, hit OK in this pop-up. And then to continue, hit Got it in Here's Some Tip 1. Then decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your tablet's camera at the code. Then wait. If you want to input this key, click on Input Key section below, enter the key. Input all of those numbers in correct order. And when you finished, tap on the Receive button to connect. Now you need to close all visible ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!